Hello, my dear students, how are you? This is my second video about Indus Valley civilization, and in this video, I will discuss about town planning, the most important and striking feature of Indus Valley civilization. Now, the most important thing about Indus Valley civilization is that it was an urban civilization as opposed to a rural civilization of Aryans when they invaded India. So, Indus Valley civilization, the first site which was discovered, it was Harappa. It is important to note for you that the first excavation site which was discovered by archaeologists, that was Harappa, and that site is now in Pakistan. And but the most famous site is Mohenjo-daro, meaning Mound of Dead. So Mohenjo-daro, that and Harappa, they are sometimes, these two cities are sometimes considered as twin capitals of Indus Valley civilization or Harappa civilization or Harappa culture. Since it was discovered in first site which was discovered was Harappa, it is also known as Harappa civilization. But Mohenjo-daro, there like archaeologists find a lot of interesting things. The foremost or the most important one was town planning. Now that questions, that is why I come from this segment, which you should not ignore. Whenever you pick up Indus Valley Civilization chapter, focus first of all on town planning. Now, what was town planning in Mohenjo-daro? First thing, you should remember that the town was divided into two parts. First was higher part, second was lower part. So the higher part may be in elevation, like lifted portion of the town. That was known as citadel, and the second part was lower part. And you should remember that these two parts were separated by walls. The town areas were fortified by walls that time to protect it from wild animals or invaders. And the famous granary and the great bath which you talk about, these two things were found in the citadel part, the higher part of the town, not the lower part. And then you will find the town planning, the roads, how the roads were planned. The roads were intersecting each other at 90-degree angles, and there was a proper and very efficient drainage system even that time. All the houses were connected to drainage system of the town planning, and these drainage areas were also not open drainage but sometimes covered with limestones, most of the times actually. So drainage system, there was proper road intersection, there was lower part and higher part, then there were proper fortification. That explains the urban character of Indus Valley civilization. This is what is the meaning of civilization, that you are not barbaric, you know, and you have a standard way of living, you have a high sense of living, you know what is the refined way of living. That is the meaning of civilization. And please, dear students, do comment, share, and subscribe my channel so can I bring more videos for you to explain you things about this. In my other videos, I will again explain further things about further aspects of Indus Valley civilization. That it is also a Bronze Age civilization. They did not know the use of iron. So I will continue with my videos, and you can visit my blog. I am writing also a blog on history and political science, that is mohenjo-daro.blogspot.com. And if you have any complaint, any suggestion, any feedback you want to give, but in a proper way, you can write in my comment section. There are other videos also you can watch, and I hope ki I can make your success better. I can better your marks, improve achievements in the upcoming exams or in your exam preparation. So take care of these things. Town planning is very important. You should focus from subjective point of view, from objective point of view while preparing for Indus Valley civilization. So that is important. Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. Please focus on these two cities, especially Mohenjo-daro, because that is the most famous site in Indus Valley civilization. Although Harappa was the first one to be discovered. Okay, I hope you enjoyed my video. Thanks for watching.